All right, last morning, just got the tent put away. Slept pretty good last night. It was cool. There were a lot of mosquitoes, so after eating dinner, I crawled into the tent and just kind of read my book. So I mentioned earlier that I ran out of coffee, and I didn't want to purchase a whole nother like 6-pack of the thing just for one more. So when I was at the hotel, they had one of those like coffee bag things for the in-room coffee that has like a pouch that the coffee's in. So I just kind of steeped it in some water this morning, and voila, coffee. So a short day today, only 40 miles. Then I got a 2.5-hour car ride back. There were 2 people that pulled in here last night. I don't know what, not last night, but like in the evening around 5 or 6, and then pulled out. Quite a few trains through last night, but I kind of like that, even though they're loud as hell. They seem to like to stop here, which kind of blocks the entrance in and out of here. So I'm gonna hopefully be able to get out of here without a train sitting in my way. Yeah, nice park though. Like I said, there's no water, no bathrooms. There's a little like boat launch thing here too. Yeah, so 40 miles, gonna be rather hilly to Dubuque, and should be scenic though because I'm along the river. It's on the Great River Road. There's supposed to be an old restaurant in, I forgot the name of the town, I'm gonna try and stop at. It's supposedly the oldest restaurant west of the Mississippi. So, in fact, I can hear a train coming already. There we go. So I'm gonna finish up my coffee here, get packed up. It's 7 o'clock, so this would be probably the earliest. If I can get out of here by 8, it'll be the earliest I've left all trip. So it'll be nice to be home, but just kind of getting in the swing of things on the road. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my coffee and get packed up here. Well, back on the river road. So peaceful this morning, Saturday morning, so I got this whole road to myself. I haven't seen a car yet. I got nice shoulders too. There's a town about a mile or 2 ahead. I'm gonna stop at the Casey's and grab something to eat for breakfast. Fill up on some water. Oh, here's my first car. All right, one big climb done. I'm sure there's about a dozen more at least. Beautiful views. Some super awesome views today. A lot of climbing, but just it's paying off for it in the views. This is the second to last big climb. I think the last 8 to 10 miles will be flat or downhill since Dubuque is actually on the river. But I keep going up and down these bluffs. Oh, it's gorgeous. Nice and cool too in the shade. Being on this side of the river, I'm getting the shade from the trees. So I'm gonna keep trucking. I got gone 15 miles so far. So about 25 left. Whew. I think that's the town of Cassville, where I went through my very first day across the river there. It's like 2 miles away from Nelson Dewey State Park where I stayed. I must say the Iowa side of the river has a little bit steeper grades. I was hitting 9 and 10% on some of these hills, whereas Wisconsin was like 3, 4, 5%. So a little tougher climbing, but actually a bit better views over here. Almost to the top of my last big climb. What a view. Getting closer to Dubuque. I think there's one more town between where I'm at now and Dubuque. All right, I'm at the top of my last big hill. It's all downhill from here. So I'm at the Iowa's oldest restaurant, or I think someone told me it was the oldest restaurant west of the Mississippi, but I don't really have time to stop and eat here, though I'd love to. But they were really nice and gave me full of my water bottles full of ice water, so definitely want to come back here. Very nice inside. It smells really good too. I'm trying to make it to Dubuque as fast as I can, so I don't have any time to sit in the restaurant. I'm only like 16 miles away, I think. There's an awesome view too. You can see the valley from the bar window over there. Must have had a parade in this town or something. Everyone's all lined up at the road, and I can see squished candy. Wonder what it's for. A bunch of tractors out. Six miles left, heading down to the river. All right, I'm just a couple blocks away from my truck, so another end to an awesome trip. Hope to come back here again and visit, maybe by car. Dubuque looks like kind of a cool town to check out. All right, I'm back where I started 5 days ago in this parking garage. Back at my truck. Damage done today. 44 miles. Not too bad. Kind of pushed myself. I didn't stop for really any food. I just had breakfast pizza at Casey's and Power Bar. That was it. Just kind of pushed through to get here. But had a lot of fun this time. It was new sights, a lot of scenery. Definitely some places I want to come back and visit now that I've checked it out on the bike. So yeah, I'm gonna pack everything up in the truck and head on my way home. I got about a 2.5 hour drive. So until next time, peace out.